Hey lovelies, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm glad to have you, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you too. In today's video on my side of life, I made some delicious baked turkey wings. They're juicy, they're golden, and full of flavor. If you think it's looking good as much as I think it's looking good, then hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. Please and thank you, show me some love, and also hit the thumbs up button to like this video, and also comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Now let's make it together. So first, I start off with some washed clean turkey wings, and I cut the turkey wings. I have the flats, the drumstick, and I also have 3 pieces of turkey thighs in here, but don't mind them. We're just working on the wings together. So I went ahead and I poked some hole with my knife into the turkey wings just to make room for flavor to seep in through those bones. And then I'm putting in some green blended seasoning here. Homemade blended seasoning. It has garlic, celery, all that good stuff in it, and of course, my good walkerswood jerk sauce. I love that stuff, the walkerswood jerk sauce, and I put a bit of that in there. Some Tony's Creole seasoning, powdered seasoning. Next, I'm going in with some Adobo all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper for a little bit of spice, and some Old Bay seasonings for chicken and poultry, so that's good on the turkey. It may look like I'm putting a lot of seasoning, but it's a lot of meat in there, and they're quite big, have big surface areas, and it needs to be covered. Then I went in with some olive oil, and now you can put your gloves on or not. It's up to you, totally your choice. And we're just going to massage that seasoning into the meat. Each and every piece of turkey, we're just going to make sure that no one is left uncovered, okay? And once that's done, we're just going to cover it with a piece of saran wrap and let it marinate, preferably overnight, I like to do, and then cook it the next day. But if you have to do it the same day, no problems. After half an hour, it should be good to go. Alright, so we're just gonna get a nice casserole pan there, whatever oven pan you have. Put some olive oil in there and grease the bottom real good. And then we're just gonna go in and put in our turkey wings. I'm kind of laying them in a specific order here so that they can all fit into this dish. But you don't have to do that. Put them in however you like. Once they all fit, sure, no problem. But you likely want each of them to be touching the pan as best as possibly can. Not really on top of each other. Now that that's done, I'm just pouring in the water here of the seasoning from the turkey. And I'm just putting that in, and a couple cubes of butter. Quite a couple cubes there, and I'm just sticking them in between pieces of turkey. Butter makes everything better. Once that's done, I'm just going to cover that with some foil paper, and I'm going to stick it in the oven about on 375 to 400, covered for 1 hour. Till it's almost tender, almost cooked. However long that takes your oven to get there, because everybody's oven works at a different pace. So once that's done, I take it out. I take out the gravy that made the juices that came out of the turkey, and I'm just going to be adding some flour to that in a dish. I'm just going to mix it up real quick, and then I'm going to pour it back into the dish with the turkey, and I'm just going to be spreading that, getting that good juice, that good mixture over the turkey meat. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the oven for like another half an hour or so uncovered, and it will be looking juicy and golden. It will catch the color that it needs. When it's looking like that, then you know it's nice and ready. It's bubbling. It's ready to be served. And let me tell you, it was so tender. That piece of wing almost just snapped into one s'more. It was perfect. And you could just go ahead and have this with some rice, some mashed potatoes, whatever you like. I'm having mine with some rice. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know down below if you would try this or your special tips for making this. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless. Love you.